how to use the multi-layer feature on CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So launch your CapCut application and then import a video that you want to edit and create the multi-layer. After that, you will see an option of overlay right over here. Then simply select add overlay. Select another video to layer it. Now all you have to do is drag these videos, drag the upper video and then place it the way you want. Now an overlay or a multi-layer is created. As you can see, both of the videos are playing simultaneously, but mm, one is one is on top of another. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.